My mother's from Sweden and my dad was from Morocco. I do serve a lot of alcohol, mixed cocktail, definitely. However, what most people tend to do is they actually take the mirror, they see a problem, they turn it the other way around. That's my experience. Like, probably for as long as I can remember, since the age of 5, 6, I've always had these mental health issues, like feeling down, depressed, anxiety, things like that. Plus, I was diagnosed with ADHD at the age of 5, and especially then when one of the bully masters, let's put it that way, one of the guys that get to lead the flock would come in the room, they would all turn. Used to being picked at bully, they would put bubble guns in my locker so I wouldn't be able everything and run over my feet with their bikes. I was quite big at that time. Some guys started calling me Big Al, and I'm like, what's this about? At all those experiences and the traumas that I experienced and was put through the first 7.5 years plus in school and the kindergarten kind of came up. I was so depressed, everything hit me. I mean, most of my life I've been seeing psychiatrists, and plus I heard about these people being like taken, social services coming in, the police taking in people, or just like, wow, I don't want to experience all of those things, so I was better to keep it to myself. Imagine a balloon of adrenaline going so full it won't explode. It just became like that. It's actually me, because I haven't been given the proper tools to handle all of these things, these emotions, these outbursts, to cope with it. So I didn't really feel like I had someone to come and say, hey, come, let's take a walk. Yeah, it's okay. Let's take some fresh air.